Hi, how you doing? So on the menu today I'm going to make pork adobo, a very classic, probably the most famous Filipino dish there is, I think. This is a classic one. Pork, potatoes, no oyster sauce. People are putting oyster sauce and stuff like that in there these days. We're keeping this really simple and classic. It all goes in the pot at one time. It cooks. It's done in 20-30 minutes. Beautiful. Welcome back once again to how to cook a great food. So let's take a look at what we have here. Pork. Now I've got a nice kind of cut fillet of pork. If you're using belly pork, you'd have to fry it first, I think. You can put it straight in, but I would personally fry it, but no need with this. This is all going to go in one pot, one time. Nice kind of little chunky bits. And then I've got potatoes. I've probably got twice as many potatoes as I have pork. I'll talk to you about that in a minute, actually. I've got something funny to tell you about that. Onion, half an onion. And then I've got a cup of soy. I'm using a dark soy, use light if you want. And then half a cup of white vinegar. 200 or 300 ml of water. Nice tablespoon there of sugar, nice brown sugar. Couple of bay leaves and maybe two teaspoons of black peppercorns. Tablespoon of garlic, optional chili. You don't have to put that in if you don't want. And that is it. Very simply, we're going to throw that in one pot. Okay, so you're going to need some sort of pot or pan that has a lid. We're going to drop in our pork. The heat is not on, by the way, yet. Our potatoes. Yeah, I said I was going to tell you something funny about this. I was talking to Chef June about the amount of potatoes that go in. And he basically sort of said, it depends how poor you are, which I thought was very funny. He sort of said when he was a kid and there wasn't a lot of money about, they'd have like 1 kg, for example, of pork and then like sort of 3 or 4 kgs of potatoes to feed the family, you know, to bulk it out. But up to you how much you put in the ratio. Let's get in our chili. Let's get in our bay. Let's get in our peppercorns. Then we're going to go with our garlic. Tablespoon of garlic. Tablespoon of brown sugar. Now, the sugar, what it does is it kind of counteracts the vinegar a little bit, you know. In goes that vinegar. In goes the soy. In goes the onion. And then we're going to add some water. So yeah, I've got 300 ml of water there. Now this is a bit of a sort of classic version. These days, oyster sauce goes in and things like that, you know. But yeah, this is kind of the absolute classic. Right, the heat's going to go on. And then we're going to go for, bring it to a boil, and then we're going to simmer it with the lid for about 20 minutes. That's it, so easy. Okay, so that has just reached boiling point and I've now turned it down to a nice simmer. Gonna let it go. Like I said, it's probably gonna be about 20 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid. A little bit of steam out there for you. And you've done it. So easy. You check those potatoes, nice and tender. The meat's beautiful. Let me get that on a plate. And there you have it. A classic pork adobo. Hope you enjoy that. It's very easy, this one. Pop it all in, leave it, come back. It's beautiful. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while. in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's going to shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great. We hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.